What's up, Pyros? What's up, YouTube? So tonight we're doing a fountain by Cutting Edge fireworks, spring peach. Lighter. See what she does. That was spring peach, Cutting Edge. This is the one's by Cutting Edge, golden flower blossom. Lighter, see what kind of color she gives. Nice. We got two fountains for you tonight. This one's by Cutting Edge. Well, they're both by Cutting Edge. That's silver chrysanthemum, violet, and butterflies. Both fountains. We'll light them real quick here for you. Nice. We got two Killer Bee fountains by Dominator fireworks. We're gonna light them both at the same time. I've never lit these Killer Bees off, but we're gonna demo them right now. Nice. Two fountains by Boomer. Two cuckoos here on the table. I'm going to light both. Trying to light both at the same time. Nice.